Welcome, thank you for taking my course, I hope you gain a lot from it. First I wanted to start by briefly exploring what a great photograph is. A lot of subjective opinion comes into this, of course, and that's because many factors contribute to what we value in a photo, such as our own life experiences, our understanding of different photographic techniques, our interest in different subject matter or genres of photography. And this is all part of what makes photography so wonderful. It's a reflection of our own unique take on the world. But there are also many aspects of photographs that lead to widely enjoyed and valued imagery, no matter their genre. Attributes of photos that can be considered objectively beautiful, powerful and impressive. And that's what we'll be exploring in this course. A great photograph has been said to be many things. One of the most widely supported definitions of a great photograph is a photo that connects with the viewer, and it does this through successfully harnessing different photographic mechanisms. We will be exploring these mechanisms in the coming videos, which are based around 5 significant attributes of photography, starting with intent and subject, the importance of putting consideration into a photo so that it connects the viewer with something, how to identify the subject and focal points, how to isolate and harness them so the eye knows where to go in the image. A great photo tends to hold the viewer captive for a few moments, and it generally can't do this if the eye doesn't have something to focus on in the image. Light and shadow. Photography is painting with light. Seeing and harnessing light is one of the most important factors in taking great photographs. Timing. What makes photography such a powerful medium is its ability to immortalize moments. Some people consider photography to be the hunt for perfect or magic moments. Learning how to plan for and consider timing in photography can be a huge part of taking great images. Colour. Colour is a valuable photographic tool. It may not always make a photo in itself, but it can elevate photographs to something truly special when understood more fully. And composition. This is one of the easiest ways for people to improve their images. Composition is a huge part of making an image that is objectively pleasing to the eye. There are many tools within composition that can be harnessed to elevate photographs significantly. Additionally, we will explore specific insights within different genres and some of my little tips that can help serve as a great photographic foundation for your toolbox. Not all these things are needed to make a great image. Any one of them can contribute to creating or be the pivotal aspect of a great image. And the point is that having these skills on board will help you to take great photographs no matter the circumstance. Just an additional note, all links to photographers or images shown will be in a supporting PDF if you want to go back through and explore them further. So let's get started.